welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Truly. I hope y'all having a good day today. If y'all late or if y'all didn't tune in on my last video, today is the car show of Downshift Nation, and your boy is actually in the car show. I had to go home, change, and come back. Damn near almost missed it because I slept through my alarm. But we're here with my boy Tony. Tony's getting ready to take pictures, do what you gotta do. We're gonna walk in, see what's going on with the show, look at all the fantastic cars. I'm saying, so let me switch cameras, get this copyright music off my damn ears, bro, and let's have a good day today. So y'all, I'm trying not to do a lot of talking because there's a lot of copyright music being played, but I'm just trying to show you as much of the cars as I can without doing too much talking. I mean, it's a car show, bro. Music playing, everybody enjoying their time. I'm not trying to talk over the damn music. I'm not going to do that, bro. But we definitely have some clean ass cars out here today. Definitely have some sexy ass support, bro. I love the color on the support so much, bro. We got my boy with the Civic SI. We got the Lexus. Oh my god, the SC. Built. Definitely love it. Definitely love it. Definitely. We got a Built RS wide body. Bags. Yo, low key, I'm thinking about going bags. Let me know in the comments what you think, if I should go bags or not. Definitely want to go bags and wide body for sure though. Look what I stumbled upon, man. A bag 370. Sheesh. This is a clean ass ride right here, man. Definitely fan of the Nissans a little bit. Would I buy one? No. But listen, it's clean. I like it. Definitely like it, man. Pretty sure that's a wrap. If not, that's a good ass paint job, but definitely beautiful color, man.
Just wanted to let you know again. Give you a look to your right.
Wide body Maserati? Bro, I have never seen a wide body Maserati. Son. Well, listen, Forza, but it's like, damn. This Maserati clean as hell, boy. You got the Hondas, of course. Honda boys represented. Shout out to all my Honda boys, Honda DZ gang. This purple on this Audi is crazy. S4 definitely crazy. I love this purple. Love the tints too. Definitely got a whole bunch of shit out here today. Definitely got a whole bunch of shit today. Bag Tezzies all over, bruh. Ooh, that's a sexy. Yo, Bling, this one's for you, my boy. I know you watching. This one's definitely for you, cuz you got a GR Corolla, still stock. Nothing really done to them. I don't think there's a lot of things out for those cars yet, but I know when they come out, it's gonna be crazy, man. Built Evo 10, slammed on the bags, wide body. Come on now. S14, RIP to his son, man. I had a conversation with him earlier. His son passed away, and he's doing this for his son, man. So, hey, it's hard burying your son, burying your kid in general as a parent, bro. That's not how it's supposed to go, but hey, it is what it is. Beautiful ass BMW. R35. And this is a beautiful ass BRZ, Toyota 86, BRZ sign, whatever you want to call it. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. It was a good turnout. A lot of cars came. I got 90% of the cars that was there. As I said, bro, copyright music, wasn't trying to deal with it. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing to try to take out as much as I can without getting copyrighted. But for the most part, it was a good turnout. Like I said, show was good. We didn't come here to really win an award or whatever, but we do have a lot of work to do. Yeah, as y'all know, the car is not done yet. We're still in small stages. So with the summer progressing, you got a lot more to do, bro. Winter coming, a lot of interior work, but we're gonna slowly get there, bro. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, man. Link in the description. Y'all can see what show I'm going next, man. Until next time, bro, I'm out.
I just like the sound.